Saving money on HR doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality or cut corners. In fact, you can streamline your HR processes, boost productivity, and reduce costs without losing the personal touch. Let's jump into how you can do just that. The first step to saving money is automating repetitive tasks. A lot of HR processes like payroll, benefits management, and employee tracking can easily be automated using specialized software. By implementing the right tools, you eliminate the need for manual entry, saving hours of work every week, and reducing human error. It's about working smarter, not harder. Next, consider centralizing your HR system. Instead of juggling multiple platforms for time tracking, recruiting, and payroll, consolidate everything into one. This cuts down on overhead and simplifies communication. Plus, it's easier for your HR team to stay organized when everything is in one place. This is one of the quickest ways to reduce HR inefficiencies and free up valuable resources. Let's talk about outsourcing too. For non-core HR functions like employee training or recruitment, you don't need to hire full-time staff. Outsourcing to third-party professionals or platforms allows you to tap into expertise without the added cost of in-house teams. It's flexible and can scale with your needs. Another key strategy to save on HR costs is using data-driven decisions for hiring and retention. Instead of relying on guesswork, leverage HR analytics to evaluate the effectiveness of your recruitment process and employee satisfaction. This will help you identify areas where you can improve or cut costs, like reducing turnover or streamlining hiring. Also, don't underestimate the value of employee self-service portals. When employees can manage their own information, like benefits or time off, you reduce the administrative burden on your HR team. This saves time and allows your HR professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, rather than repetitive data entry. Finally, let's talk about cost-effective benefits. You don't have to provide lavish perks to keep employees happy. Offering flexible work options, wellness programs, and performance-based incentives can be just as effective in boosting employee satisfaction without breaking the bank. Tailor your benefits to what your employees actually value. Now, I've tested all the top HR tools out there, and the software we'll be using in today's tutorial has proven to be the most efficient for saving on HR without cutting corners. It integrates everything from payroll to employee tracking, and best of all, I've secured an exclusive free trial for you. Just check the description below for the link and you can follow along with everything we've covered in this video. Key takeaway: saving money on HR doesn't mean compromising quality. By automating tasks, centralizing systems, outsourcing when necessary, using data-driven hiring, implementing self-service portals, and offering flexible benefits, you can reduce costs without cutting corners. Quick recap: automate repetitive tasks, centralize your HR system, consider outsourcing, use analytics for smarter hiring, let employees self-manage, and offer cost-effective benefits. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below and take control of your HR expenses today.